Hello, students. I hope you all are safe in your home and following the instructions of your parents. Today, in online class of 7th Science, I will teach you the chapter Acids, Bases and Salts. Students, today we will discuss the topic acids. Students, there are two classes of common substances that are related to each other and are quite important in our daily lives. They are acids and bases. Acids and bases are chemical opposites. You can confirm the presence of an acid, a base, or a neutral substance by using a special chemical called indicator. We taste many substances throughout the day, but all of them taste differently. Some are sweet to taste, while some taste sour or bitter or salty. This is because each substance has chemical nature. Acids taste sour, bases taste bitter, and the compounds, salts, formed when acid react with bases taste salty. Thus, substances are mainly classified into three classes: acidic, basic, and neutral. Acidic substances. The term acid was originally used to describe any substance that had a sour taste. Many fruits are sour because they contain acids. The word acid comes from the Latin word acer, meaning sour. Vinegar, which is used to preserve food, and sulfuric acid, which is found in car batteries, are examples of acidic substances. Students, on the basis of their sources, the acids are classified into two categories. The first is organic acids or natural acids. The acids found in plants and animals are known as natural acids or organic acids. For example, citric acid, tartaric acid, and ascorbic acid, the acids found in plants, and lactic acid, uric acid, acids found in animals. The organic acids are weak acids. They are not harmful to consume. They can be diluted by adding water in it. For example, lemon juice is mixed with water so that it is safe and tasty to drink. Now, mineral acids or inorganic acids. The acids prepared from minerals present in the Earth's crust are known as mineral acids. Mineral acids are also known as inorganic acids. They are made in the laboratory or industries by the humans. They are used to carry out different experiments in the laboratory. Mineral acids should never be tasted and should be handled with utmost care as they are very dangerous. They are corrosive and can cause severe burns when come in contact with skin. For example, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and hydrochloric acids are the example of mineral acids. The first mineral acid to be discovered was nitric acid. Later, sulfuric acid and then hydrochloric acid were discovered. Hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach too. Types of acids. Acidity depends on the amount of hydrogen ions present in the substance. Most mineral acids like nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and hydrochloric acid are called strong acids because they have a high concentration of hydrogen ions. All organic acids like tartaric acid, lactic acid, and malic acid are called weak acids because they have a low concentration of hydrogen ions. Organic acids are used as food ingredients. Concentrated acid. Concentrated acid is formed when a large amount of acid is added to a small amount of water. Dilute acid. Dilute acid is formed when a small amount of acid is added to a large amount of water. To dilute the acid, add acid to water and not water to the acid. If we add water to the acid to dilute it, heat will be produced which can be dangerous as it can cause explosion. Properties of acids. Students, the properties of acids are they have a sour taste, they are corrosive in nature, they are good conductors of electricity as they allow the passage to electric current through them. Acids are soluble in water. When an acid is dissolved in water, a dilute solution of acid is formed and heat is given out. For this reason, it is dangerous to add water to acid. They react with metals to form salt and hydrogen gas. Uses of acids. Students, acids' main uses are as follows: to purify salts, to manufacture chemicals such as glue, to manufacture fertilizers, to manufacture detergents, to purify precious metals such as silver and gold, to manufacture drugs, plastics, paints, etc. Acids are used in automobile batteries and to manufacture explosives such as TNT, that is trinitrotoluene. Students, I hope you all understood the topic very well. Revise the same in your home. Thank you and take care.